Hi there, mga beloved yung soulmates. Welcome to Renzo Tara Channel. Nandito naman po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo isang soulful and meaningful na reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi nabangan at sinusubaybay na Renzo Tara Channel. May kami shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na laging nanonood at nakaabang. Thank you so much po. Happy Easter po sa lahat. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're great. You're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Ang ating pong reading ay napagsasamahan ay isang timeless reading para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Sagittarius. Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign, this is for you. Ang ibig sabihin po ng timeless reading ay no pressure at all ha, kahit kailan nyo ito napanood. Maybe next day, next week, next month, or even next year. So, ibig sabihin po ay para po sa inyo ang energy ng reading nito. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan nyo po at di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you're watching this sa ating TikTok account, RenzoTaro444, ay wag po kayong mahiyang mag-follow. Mag-comment rin po. And if you want to avail a private reading, mag-send po kayo sa akin ng direct message sa ating TikTok account. Important notice po, hindi po ako yung una mag-send sa inyo ng message sapagkat may mga scammer naman po akong nanggagaya. May mga scammer naman po nanggagaya ng ating account na i-upload ng videos. May na-receive po akong message kahapon na yon. So, hindi po ako yung una mag-send sa inyo ng message ha. So, please, maging maingat po. Ang dami pong manloloko ngayon. Mahirap na kung mag-send kayo ng pera at, walang mangyari sa inyo. So, sige, kunin na natin sa Sagittarius ang isa pong bara para sa iyong timeless reading. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. Oops, sorry. Natulog. Okay, ayusin lang natin. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. Give me 10 cards for Sagittarius. Kamusta kayong lahat mga Sagittarius kong soulmates? I hope you're doing great. Thank you so much po sa inyo walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. It was so overwhelming. Itong mga nakaraang araw po talagang fully booked po tayo sa ating private reading. Thank you so much po sa mga nag-avail. And sa mga naka-schedule po, ay wait lang po ng konti. You're already booked and pagkita-kita po tayo. Okay? So, sige Sagittarius, your 10 cards are now ready for your timeless reading. Huwag na nating patagalin pa ito. Let's begin with your first card. Oh, Nine of Wands. Sagittarius, I can see here may taong naiinggit sa'yo. Ni-stalk ka or monitoring your actions and your whereabouts, location kung saan ka. But I can see here may nag-stalk sa'yo Sagittarius. But the energy that I can feel here is siguro it is about jealousy or envy, parang naiinggit sa happiness and blessings na meron ka ngayon. Because Sagittarius, this April, you're expected to be very, swerte, very lucky, and there are a lot of surprises and good money will be flowing on your door. So that's why there are people na talagang walang magagawa. But, just watch at the corner at mainggit sa'yo. So I can see here people talaga. Or maybe are you aware na someone is just, is talking behind your back, is stalking you. So be wary. Be wary. Maging maingat. So, pangalawa is Three of Swords. Sagittarius. So with this timeless reading here, the energy that I can feel here is there's a certain situation na parang nangyari na you've been disappointed. Okay, this is not a big issue or parang malaking problema. But, kasi ang nangyari dito sa Sagittarius, kasi kayo, kapag nadi-disappoint kayo, lalo na sa isang tao, lalo na pag di nila na-meet yung expectation mo. It's like, if you've been expecting too much from them, and, parang hindi mo nakuha, hindi nila naibigay yung gusto mo. So, mabilis kayo ma-disappoint. So, mabilis kayo ma-frustrate. So, even, kahit maliit na bagay kasi it's like, I can see yung mga Sagittarius a little bit of, organized. You're very detail-oriented. So, you want things in order. So, I can see a little bit disappointment na parang naranasan mo lately to a certain situation or person na nangyari. So, tingnan natin. Okay, we have the World card here. So, believe me, Sagittarius, there's really a fresh start for you. May magsisimula talaga ng bagong kabanata, a new chapter of where you're going to restart. You're going to start over again. So with this World card, so it's like, a sudden shift of position para sa'yo. Parang kung lately, parang medyo, sabi ko nga, kung mga nakaraang buwan, medyo matumal, mga nakaraang buwan, taon, ay talagang puro problema, sabay-sabay, parang wala talaga. No? There's no improvement or growth. So with this April and with this with the timeless reading na kumapanood mo ito, so expect growth and improvement with your current situation. With the World card here, so this is something new for you, a new beginning. So you're going to start over again. But this is something greater. Mas maganda, mas masaya, mas kumbaga mas puno pa ng blessings and happiness for you. Sige? O, tingnan mo. This is really about money. Ang dami talagang pera na parating. I believe me, as Sagittarius, so this will be overflowing. So, kung may mga Sagittarius that dyan na may business, because this is like a market trading. So if you're doing like a live selling, if you're on a social media or may tindahan ka or any kind, coffee shop, if you're in, nasa e-commerce kayo, or any kind na talagang, transactions or deals that involves money. So, magiging maganda talaga ang flow. Although, we're in a very uncertain situation now dahil sa gera. But believe me, Sagittarius, whatever you have na talagang inaasikaso mo ngayon or meron ka, so expect growth and improvement with sales and, money and financial matters talagang related sa iyo ngayon. Sorry. So, sorry sa parang ulit-ulit yung Anyways, okay, Sagittarius, we have two of wands here. I can see that you really, hindi ka pa natitigil. You want more. May mga bagay ka pang gustong gawin, may mga bagay ka pang gustong mangyari. You are considering a lot of options pa. Ang daming nasa utak mo pa and kumbaga hindi mo pa, as of now, you are still undecided when or where to start. But at least meron kang idea. Kumbaga nasa isip mo yan lately, talagang hindi ka makatulog dyan and kumbaga mahanap ka pa ng buwelo. You're waiting for a sign, you're like, you're waiting for that eureka moment kung kailan mo talaga to sisimulan. But I can see here na talaga may gusto ka pang gawin, Sagittarius. It's like you're unstoppable. You have a lot of things. You have a big dreams na talagang gustong-gustong makamit or mangyari sa buhay mo. So, we have 5 cards more. Second row natin before we proceed with the 5 cards remaining. Ulitin ko po, if you di pa po kayo nakasubscribe sa ating YouTube, please do subscribe. Yan lang pong bayad na hingin ko sa inyo. And sa ating TikTok account, if you nagustuhan nyo po, please follow also. Mag-comment rin po kayo. And if you want to avail a private reading, kayo po ang mag-send sa akin ng message. Hindi po ako mag-chat sa inyo para mag-offer ng private reading sapagkat naglipa na po ang gaya ng ating account na nag-re-upload na ating videos. Please be careful sa mga scammers. Okay? Ikaw lang po ang mag-chat sa akin at pag-usapan po natin kung paano ka makakapag-avail ng private reading. Let's continue sa yung timeless reading, Sagittarius, with your 6th card. Okay. 5 of Pentacles. Alam mo, itong taong una talaga na lumabas, sabi ko, naiingit talaga siya sa resources mo. So, be careful kasi baka evil eye ito. Talagang ang gusto niya dito, kung nakikita ko parang, this person is not happy or doesn't want you to succeed. Kasi parang wini-wish niya na, maghirap ka, this is poverty. Parang, tumumal yung benta ng tindahan mo, hindi ka makapasa sa exam, hindi ka matanggap sa trabaho, any kind of thing na parang itong tao na to talagang ayaw niya makita ka maging masaya or improve your life, lalo-lalo na kung finances ang pag-uusapan. So this is poverty, this is stagnancy. So be careful sa mga tao sa paligid mo sa pagtitiwala, lalong-lalo na mga importanteng information na related sa mga plano mo, na may kinalaman sa pera, negosyo, trabaho. So these 5 of Pentacles, I can see here, stagnancy or poverty. So, doble ingat rin. So, doble tipid, Sagittarius. So, this is not the best time para maging gastador or one-day millionaire. Okay? So, we have here the Queen of Wands. So, ang katapat niya dito, 3 of Swords. So, I can see siguro, Sagittarius, that's why mabilis ka rin ma-disappoint or masaktan, maging sensitive. It's because I can see na parang hindi ka pa totally matured. So, you need to grow up. So, you need to go out of your comfort zone. So, ipakita mo na talagang, kumbaga, kahit pa paano, naging malawak naman ang iyong pag-iisip. So, medyo mahaba yung pasensya, ganun. So, okay, because I can see you're a little bit of sensitive with a 3 of Swords, with a Queen of Wands here, para hindi ka pa ready talagang collaborate sa mga tao. Kasi konting-konting sabihin lang, masasaktan ka agad, magagalit ka, maapektuhan ka. So, even it's for your own good. Lalo na, for example, sinabihan ka ng yung magulang, in-advise ka mga kaibigan o kapatid, so you don't take it na parang, kumbaga, para sa ikakabuti mo. You took it na parang feeling mo, pinapagalitan ka, or parang feeling mo, inaapi ka. So, ganun nakikita natin dito. So, a little cheer up, Sagittarius, mag-mature na ng onte. Kasi, hindi ito yung oras nasa panahon tayo ngayon ng kumbaga kailangan nating maging matapang or we make ways or make sure about our decisions. So kapag hindi tayo masyadong matured ang ating pag-iisip and even our actions, so mahirap na puro failure yung magiging mga decision na gagawin natin. We have here the Emperor card and the World. So katapat ng World card is Emperor. So believe me, Sagittarius, you are bound to a path of talagang wherein i-elevate talaga ang posisyon mo. With the Emperor hierarchy, so kung sabi ko nga sa'yo, kung talagang lately itong mga nakaraan talagang medyo malabo ang lahat, medyo matumal, medyo walang nangyayari, walang pumapasok. With the Emperor card, you will be moving into a certain situation, in a certain point of your life na talagang, kumbaga, titingalain ka na. You know, it's like, sasabihin ng tao, wow, ang layo na natin ni Sagittarius. Talagang blessed siya. Grabe. So, akalain mo, sino mag-akala nitong dating Sagittarius na kilala ko? Walang-wala yun dati. So, dahil siguro nagsipag at talagang sinerte. So, with the Emperor card here, I can see you talagang mag-move ka. It's like, you know, it's like you will be leading also may promotion. You will be leading a flock. You will be leading a lot of people. Maging leader ka, mag-inspire ka, maraming taong titingala sa'yo. It's like a certain point of your life na talagang mag-move forward, malayo doon sa dating Sagittarius na kumbaga puro problema, puro stagnancy, baon sa utang, ang daming walang nangyayari sa buhay. So with this Emperor card and with the World card, this new chapter of your life that will be opening for you will be filled with abundance and, kumbaga progress. Okay? So, Sagittarius, pang siya mong baraha. Tingnan mo, kung talagang wino-worry mo talaga ang pera lately. Pero naman, but you really want, ang top of mind, ang yung top of mind daw Sagittarius ay paano pa ito paramihin. Gusto mo pa ito palaguin, dagdagan pa. Because that's why this is what you're worrying. Talagang ito yung nagpapasakit ang ulo mo lately. Saan ako kukuha? Paano ba ito paparamihin? Baka maubos na itong savings ko, lahat-lahat. So, nakikita natin dito, connected talagang barating naman yung katapat niya. So, this is 7 of Pentacles. So, 10 of Pentacles. Sabi ko nga, di ba? Kalat ang pera dito. May improvement talaga na mangyayari. So, sabi ko nga, if you're into business, yung trabaho mo magkakaroon ng promotion, so into point na, syempre may salary increase dyan. Or whatever. So, tingnan mo. Sila lang pagkatapat sila, di ba? Lately, you're worrying about your finances. But now, sabi ko, expect a big improvement with it. Talaga, you don't need to worry, Sagittarius. There will be growth. Believe me. I-claim mo na to. I-claim mo na to, Sagittarius. Talagang malaki ang magiging improvement ng buhay mo in terms of finances. So, 10th and last card para sa yung timeless reading, Sagittarius. This is good news. You will be sitting like a boss, like a manager. With the 9 of Cups here, so ang dami mo nang napatunayan, ang dami mo ng achievements, ang dami mo ng recognition na na-receive, but still here you are. Walang makakapigil sa Sagittarius. Tingnan mo. Sabi ko, di ba, you really want to do more. May mga plano ka pa, marami ka pang gustong gawin, but still undecided ka pa. And with that 9 of Cups here, I can see whatever plans na meron ka sa isip mo ngayon. In the future, kapag decided ka at ready ka na gawin yan, so believe me, so expect good result with it, with the 9 of Cups. So this is victory, this is progress, this is growth, and of course, this is happiness and contentment for you, Sagittarius. This is a very beautiful reading. I hope and I pray na marami nasasign na Sagittarius sa mga kapanood ngayon. I'm wishing you all the best in life. Thank you so much mga soulmates kong Sagittarius sa inyong laging pagsama at panonood. Hanggang sa susunod nating pagkikita, nasa mga ngayon naroon, mag-iingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.